Hello and welcome. Congratulations on your new fully automatic espresso machine KF2 with iced coffee. Let's keep your machine running smoothly with regular cleaning and maintenance. At the end of each day, pull out the drip tray and puck container. Rinse them both under warm water, dry them, then put everything back. If you steamed milk today, clean the steam wand too. Wipe down the outside with a damp cloth. Pull down the metal cover, then twist clockwise to remove the entire assembly. Wipe down the plastic wand underneath too. That's where steam flows through. Then put the metal tube back on, making sure it's fully seated. Select Steam. Point the wand at the drip tray and press Start to purge. A quick, easy clean. When the descale icon lights up, it's time to clean your machine. Start by emptying and rinsing your drip tray and puck container. Empty the water tank and pull out the filter if you have one installed. Fill the tank to the half-liter mark. Use a KitchenAid descaling tablet. Drop one into the water tank and let it dissolve completely. Put the tank back and grab a large container. It needs to catch water from both the dispenser and the steam wand. Press Clean until you see the descale icon. Now press Start and Clean together to enter descale mode. See it blinking? Press Start and Clean together one more time to kick things off. The machine heats up first. Now it's running the descaling solution through both the dispenser and steam wand. Just let it do its thing. When the first cycle finishes, you'll see the descale icon lit up. The drip tray and fill water icons will be blinking. Rinse out the tank really well. Fill it all the way to the max line this time. Empty and rinse your drip tray too. Grab a container for the rinse cycle. Press Start to rinse everything clean. Same deal, water flushes through both outlets. Once it's done, the descale light goes off. You're back in business. One last rinse of the drip tray and you're all set. Just like that, a clean machine. When this icon lights up, it's time to clean the brew unit with a tablet. Start by emptying and rinsing your drip tray. Fill your water tank all the way up. Put a container under the dispenser. To start a cleaning cycle, press the Clean and Start buttons together. The brew unit icon will start blinking. That means you're in cleaning mode. Now press Clean and Start together one more time to begin the first cycle. The machine runs hot water through the system first to prepare for the cleaning tablet. When it's done, the brew unit icon will stay solid, and the fill water icon and drip tray icons will pulse. That's your cue. Open the service door. Unlock the brew unit and pull it out. Give it a quick rinse under cold water. Dry it off. Now grab one of those cleaning tablets. Drop the tablet right here in the brew unit. Slide it back in place and lock it. Swap in a bigger container for the cleaning cycle. Press Start and let the machine do the rest. It's flushing the tablet through the brew unit to clean out coffee oils. When the icon turns off, you're done. One last rinse of the drip tray. When the machine alerts you to replace the water filter, it's easy to do. Take out the water tank and twist out the used filter. Insert a new KitchenAid water filter and twist to lock. Fill the tank to the max line. Reinstall it, and position an empty container under the dispenser. Press Clean to select the filter icon, then press Start and Clean together, twice, to begin the rinse mode. Heading out for a while, run the evaporate function to clear water from the system before storage. Start by emptying and rinsing the puck tray and drip tray, then remove the water tank and set it aside. Place an empty container under the dispenser and steam wand. Select hot water from the drink menu. Then press and hold Dose and Clean for 3 seconds to activate evaporate mode. The machine purges remaining water from the system. When it powers off, empty the drip tray. Your machine's ready for storage. Your machine tells you what it needs and walks you through every step. Keep it clean, and it'll keep making great coffee.